It's a perfect time to do this session, man, because this is FOMO central, right? So can I mark out, an order block here, look for a retest back in here? This is where I'm waiting right now, right? This is my trade setup idea. Okay, I can mark out my chart here, stop loss above that wick, look to rotate down to the lows. So I'm looking for it to bounce back in here and possibly jump into a continuation trade. I have a setup, risk management, and an R multiple, right? Is this a proven strategy? Well, you got to ask yourself that. Have you back tested it? Have you traded something like this, right? You have to be wrong fast and wrong with discipline, okay? I know I'm speaking to everybody here. When you get into a trade, right? Price is coming in. You're trying to catch the low, right? You're trying to catch the low. And you add to the trade. And you add to the trade, right? And you're just trying to average down, move the stop loss, add to the trade. And then you're blown up. You're blown up, or you're like, if it comes back to break even, I'm going to get out. It comes up to break even, and you're like, it's going to go up. Instead of getting out here, you don't take the loss, and then you get stopped out for way more than 1% of your account. Way more. The worst thing that will happen, and every trader goes through this, is that your account will start to look like this. And this is detrimental to any longevity in all of trading. I promise you that. This will ruin you. What you want is this, and it takes more time. This takes more time to be a good loser. You have to be a good loser. I have a huge win rate with scalping. I'm like 80-90%, right? But I'm wrong so fast, it's gross. I know I have an 80% win rate, so I'm okay with the loss, but I trust my strategy to take the trade. Because your data is not your data if you're not taking the trades over and over and over again. The problem with this, when you're taking the trades, you don't know which ones are wins or losses. You have maybe a 70 to 80% win rate, which is fantastic. That means you're going to lose 30% of the time. That's what that means. So you have to be okay with this. And that comes back to risk. That comes back to trust. Come trade live, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.